like it or not, may forever na yata ang pagsa-selfie. At since gagawin mo na rin lang naman, let's do it better, di ba? Pero, paano nga ba?
Hawak sinisigaw ng aking pusong naliligaw.
This is Destiny calling. Hello. First, malapit ka ba sa hagdan o sa gilid ng building? Aba, lumayo ka dyan. At go somewhere safer, di ba? Joke lang, kidding aside. Pero, importante kung saan talaga kukuha ng selfie. Dahil unless, pupuniin mo ng mukha mo ang buong frame. May makikita kang background sa selfie mo. Be aware, baka may hindi ka ika-ikayang photobomber sa likod mo tulad ng mga tambak na labado mo sa bed mo. Number 2, find your light. Aba, importante na hahanapin mo kung saan ang ilaw mo. The best and indirect natural light. And never use flash and selfie. Masyadong harsh yan. No, 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 no. Number 3, find your angle. Usually, meron tayong angle na mas photogenic tayo, mas lumalabas yung cheekbones natin, at yung ina-highlight dapat. At dapat stretch the neck. Sabi nga ni Tyra Banks, lose the neck and you will lose the model. Kailangan papakita natin na laging mahaba yung neck natin sa mga pictures natin. And 4, ang selfie cam may angle rin. Bawal ang shooting up. Bawal yan kasi magkakaroon ka ng double chin. Dapat hindi mo pinapakita yan. Try mo yung shooting down. Mas effective yan at mas makikita mo yung angulo mo for sure. Mas maganda din, di ba? And 5, emote. Smile. Big smile. Demure smile. Full love. Basta wag lang yung duck face, ha? Hindi na uubra yan. Sobra na. At malay mo, the next best selfie you take would give you the best shot in your love life. This is Destiny calling. Please pick up and say hello. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. For more lightness of being tips, just click the subscribe button, and if you feel like sending love to others, to the universe rather, please share this video to your friends and to your loved ones.